Alright dude, what'd we just do?
Just loaded up another Lowrider S.
Third one in the collection now.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Dyna Demos. I'm Rod.
I'm Lego.
And we're in Virginia. We just drove up to pick up the bike from one of our homies, a guy that we actually used to work with and have been on a couple deployments with. He's up in Pennsylvania now. He drove down and we met him a little ways, so he didn't have to drive the whole way. We met him in Virginia, so we're just driving back. See the bike in the back.
Check it out.
Yeah. We got some parts back there that he dropped off that we're gonna put on for him.
A little sneak preview.
Yep. Yeah, we're just driving back to good old Eastern North Carolina.
Yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Here, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Dyna Demos. I'm Rod, and I'm gonna give you the walk around of our buddy Nelson's bike. 2016 Dyna Lowrider S, just like me and Lego are rocking. So let's get started. All right, first thing, he's got the factory Harley Davidson quarter fairing. All right, with this lamineer lip. Looks pretty good. It's also got a daymaker in there. You guys probably all know what that looks like. One thing that I think is cool about this is he's got the quick disconnect, so if he wants to pull the fairing off, he can just QD it and pull it off. So yeah, that's pretty cool. He also has these these LED lights, the LED turn signals that wrap around his forks, so they look pretty cool. Yeah, pretty awesome. All right, so bring you guys around here. All right, he's rocking the Performance Machine grips. Feel pretty good. All right, and we don't know who makes these levers. All right, but it's got some aftermarket levers on here. They got an adjustment knob, so he can move them if he wants. All right, so here, if you come around here, this is it's a base face, I think is what it's called. All right, it's and I think it's like an English or a Canadian company. I looked them up one time, but you guys heard it. Lego rode the bike with it on it. He said it bumps. He liked it a lot, so that's pretty cool. He's also got the Big Al's risers, the slight pullback, thrashing supply handlebars, as you can see there. Oh, one thing I missed that I forgot to tell you guys about, he's running these axle caps too, front and back. I think it really cleans up the front. Moving down here, all right, this is a Bung King crash bar. As you can see, he's got the California cutout. He's from California. All right, he's got the Flow Motorsports MX style pegs. You can see he's got the Thunder header right here, and this thing sounds pretty mean. I'll go ahead and start the bike for you guys. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, so Thunder header, awesome pipe. I had one on my FXR. He's also got this Screaming Eagle cover for his intake. Looks like he's still got the stock intake with just the Screaming Eagle cover over the top. 110 engine, of course. He's also got he also has the rear Bung King crash bar. He said he still doesn't know how he feels about it, is what he told us yesterday when we picked up the bike. He said sometimes when he puts his legs down, his calves hit this. Lego rode it. He said the same thing happened. I haven't rode the bike yet, but I'm taller than both those guys, so it's probably gonna happen to me too. All right, Lucky Dave seat. Got this cool sissy bar right here. Lay down license plate. This license plate, I'm not sure which one this is, but it's got the little LED light up in it. You might be able to see it off my finger. I don't know, it's kind of sunny out. And then he's also got these LED pods as well, so you can see those. All right, got to get that lighting right so he can be seen. All right, and then he's got a Screaming Eagle plug wires. And yeah, one last thing that I forgot to mention, he also has the flush gauge mount, the Harley Davidson flush gauge, fuel cap mounts, I'm sorry, just like we do. So yeah, that's his bike. It's slightly different from ours. Forgot one last thing. Same as Lego, he's got that alloy art shift linkage. All right. So Lego swears by his. I had one on my FXR, loved it. So if you're in the market for a shift linkage, go get one. But yeah, that's his bike, 2016 Dyna Lowrider S. And this thing, I think, has like 3,100 miles on it. Let's see here. 3,137 miles. So yeah, this thing is pretty awesome. So yeah, that's his Dyna Lowrider S. I hope you guys enjoyed the previous videos of mine and Lego's, and now our buddy Nelson's. Like we said, we'll have this for a little bit. We're gonna do a few more things to it. Like we said in the other videos, always a work in progress. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, for Dyna Demos, I'm Rod. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.